two, three, four, five. Right hand here, left hand here. One, two, three, four, five. Change. Left down, right up. One, two, three, four, five. Hi, Kamala. Then one, two, three, four, five. Now one, two, three, four, five. Other side. One, two, three, four, five. Now one, two, three, four, five. Other hand. Ho, ho, ha, ha, 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 ha. Very good, very good. Yay.
Very good. Yay.
Very good, very good. Yay.
Very good. Yay.
Hello, hi Rino, hi Rino, welcome. Hello, hello.
Hi.
Hello. Hi.
So now let's do Nizar Yoga Warrior Strike. So come back to your heart center, twist to the right, extend hand, extend, then strike, strike. Like this, twist, extend hand, just strike, strike like this, strike. You have someone, you want to hit someone, strike like this, strike. Like this. Yes, yes, strike. Move, move. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Strike, 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 strike. Ah. You can laugh. Very good, very good. Yay.
Very good.
Very good,
Yay.
very good. Yay. Hi,
Very good.
Christina. Welcome. Hi, Christina. Welcome. Hello.
Hi, Christina.
So, friends.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Bonjour, bonjour.
Bonjour, bonjour. So now let's get deeper with laughter yoga. Just a little bit deep with laughter yoga. You know we have 5 rules of inner laughter. One of them is the rule of or the law of imperfection. So you are imperfect, but this can be a strong point. Why? Because if we learn from our mistakes, we can get more strong. So I learn from my mistakes. You learn from your mistakes. I learn from my mistakes. Point your side, say, I learn from my mistakes. I learn from my mistakes.
From my mistake.
I learn from my mistakes.
I learn from my mistake.
Very good. Very good. Yay.
Very good.
Very good. Very good. Yay.
Very good. Yay.
So, friends, now let's put the Nizar Yoga method in practice by combining coaching questions with laughter yoga and stretching. So, let's say you want to achieve something and you are fearful, you have fear, you are afraid, you have fear. But now you decided to sit with your fear. Get your fear, give him a cup of coffee, and ask him one question. He tells you only one question because I have to go and frighten other people. So you ask him, what are you trying to tell me? Hi, Alon, welcome.
Hi.
So he tells you, I want to protect you. Then he leaves. Then you said, how can I protect myself in a different way? Can I protect myself in a different way? Of course. You know, Naila knows, all knows. How to do this? If you have strong immune system, you can do it. How to do this? We have the lungs meridian from here. It runs here. It's the main source of immunity. Simply, you have these 2 points under the collarbone. Simply tap a few times. Tap. And say ho ho ha ha 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 ho ho ha. Very good, very good. Yay. Very good, very good. Yay. So, friends, let's start now our waterfall riding adventure. So, let's go to a nice river. Start riding a boat. So, row the boat like this. A, 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 eh, eh, Ah, very good, very good. Yay!
Good.
Very good,
Yay.
very good. Yay!
Yay.
So, friends, now let's try it a little bit faster. Write faster. Fast, 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 fast. Ah, hi, Aliki. Hi, Aliki.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Aliki.
Hello,
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 Kyla.
hello.
Hello,
Very good,
everybody.
very good. Yay!
Very good.
Very good, very
Yay.
good.
Very good.
Yay!
Very
Very good.
good.
Now
Yay.
let's continue riding the boat. Now we reach an easy waterfall. Simply with straight spine, stand with sit with straight spine, hold the boat, hold it, go to the waterfall, go down deeply. Eh, eh,
Eh,
eh,
eh,
eh. Ah,
eh, eh.
very good, very good. Yay!
Very
Very
good.
good.
Very good, very good.
Very good.
Yay!
Very
Very
good.
good.
Yay.
Yay.
Now let's take another boat and continue our ride to reach another waterfall. In this boat, you have to ride on one side. So wave like this. One, two, three.
Two,
One,
three. One,
one,
two,
two, three. Eh,
three.
eh,
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 eh, eh.
eh,
Ah,
eh, eh. Eh, eh, eh.
very good, very good. Yay!
Very good.
Very good, very good.
Very good.
Yay!
Very good.
So for the next waterfall, you need to stand on your board. Get your board, stand. Enrique, you can do it.
Oh,
I
oh,
know you can do it.
oh,
All you
oh,
all can all
oh,
do it.
oh,
So stand,
oh,
maintain your balance, move, 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 go and jump. Ah, jump, jump. Ah, very good, very good. Yay!
very good.
Very
Yay.
good, very
Very
good.
good.
Yay! So the last waterfall, some little bit challenging. For this, you have to select your funniest adventure pose. You can be Superman, like this. You can be Batman. You can be Tiger Man. You can be a Tiger Man. Choose your pose. Start your pose. I choose to be Tiger Man. I prepare my clothes. Prepare your clothes or choose your own
L'after yoga.
pose.
Yoga du rire. Ah oui.
Prepare now. Stand. Look down. Open your chest. You are brave, powerful. Then jump. Oh,
Bien, bien,
oh.
suivant.
Hi Maria. Hi Maria. Very good. Very good. Yay.
Very good. Yay.
yay.
Very
Very
good.
good.
Very good.
Very good.
Yay. So friends, we have to move fast because today we have a great guest host. Today we have Ligin as our great guest host. We need to move faster to be able to welcome Ligin. So let's swim like this. Swim. Eh, eh,
Eh, eh,
Ah,
eh, eh.
very good, very good. Yay. Very good, very good.
Yay.
Very good.
Yay.
Very
Very
good.
good.
Yay.
Now to have stronger hands, swim like this, reverse, swim like this. Oh, oh, ah, oh, 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 oh. Ah, very good, very good. Yay.
Very good.
Very good, very good.
Very good.
Yay.
Very good. Yay.
Hi Maria, hi Maria, welcome. Hi.
Hi,
Uh,
Maria.
hi. So now,
Hola.
now relax, and you can swim on your back. So that just lay down on the water peacefully. Let the water move you. Move peacefully. Peacefully. Eh, 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 eh. Ah, very good. Very good. Yay. Very good. Very good. Yay. Now let's reach the bank. Let's walk. We reached. We left the river. Let's walk on the ground, going slowly. Now want to activate our legs and hand meridian. So step on your feet on ground. Move your foot up and down ground, and in your hand, step like this. Your hand twist like this. You go ho ha ho ha ho ha ho ha. Hi Ali, hi Ali. Ho ha 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 ho ha. Very good, very good. Yay! Very good, very good. Yay! So, friends, now we continue walking. We see a nice lady sitting on a nice tree. We see our great guest host, Li Jin. She's reading some books, reading books, looking at the books. She's reading. Then we need to greet her by red nose laughter. Get your red nose, your red nose. Ah, very good, very good. Yay! Very good, very good. Yay! Now we have a special what to say, a special high place for Legin to go, stage. So Legin goes to the stage to get to cheer us and entertain us with her exercises. Now Legin goes, stands on the stage. Let's all welcome Legin. Loud of applause. Legin.
Thank you. Thank you, Niza.
Welcome,
Wow.
welcome.
After all the energetic rowing boat, huh? So I'm not going to entertain you. You're going to entertain me. Thank you, Niza, for this platform. Even for a few minutes, I'm very grateful to see all the
Welcome.
lovely laughers here, all the lovely laughter buddies. And through Zoom, we can stare at each other. Come, let's stare. Ah, oh, wow. Because in real life, when we stare at people, it's very rude. But for laughter buddies at Zoom, it's okay to stare. Win your eyes, win your beautiful eyes. Dung, 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 dung. Come closer and listen. Come closer.